Hey guys! In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best camera drone under $50. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. XYRC V8 4K Camera Drone. The XYRC drone is a perfect drone for beginner users or more experienced user and offers low price and high quality video. The drone equipped with 25-degree adjustable 2080 pixel HD camera, which can broaden your views and record every unforgettable moment in your life. Meanwhile, with advanced FPV real-time transmission tech, you can enjoy real-time images through app for beautiful scenery. The drone provides 716 brushed cordless motor, and this drone remote control distance about 100 meters. This drone equipped with the latest 6-axis flight control systems, 3D lock, more scheduled flight, operating more to the force. The drone provide 3.7 volt 650 mAh LiPo batteries included, makes the flight time up to 11 to 15 minutes and charging time 40 minutes. The batteries are safe and easy to change and charge. This drone 1-key 360-degree roll, continuous roll for perfect action and wonderful performance. This drone smart follow system and trajectory flight system, draw the flight on the app, it can realize automatic flight. It also just 1 key is all it takes to take off and to land the drone. Keep it simple to control for even beginners. Number 4. XKJ LS Mini 4K Camera Drone. The XKJ drone is made of high-strength engineering plastic which is light in weight and durable. Escape wide-angle camera with 4K HD. Its angle is set to 120 degrees, though the control unit its connectable app with 5G Wi-Fi which allows you to take photos or video and send them in real time via the camera of the phone. This drone provide brushless motors, can resist level 5 wind, resulting in a quiet, stable and powerful flying experience. The drone exceeds the distance of 80 meters. The drone large capacity 650 mAh lithium battery. A single battery can make it 13 minutes of flight time, which is longer than other most consumer drones of the same type. Flying is more freedom, shooting is more leisurely. Our camera drone can perform 360-degree flips and rolls. Circle fly makes fly more attractive. You can define an exact flying route on the app map, brings you spectacular flying experiences. The XKJ drone for adults features auto follow me function, waypoints flight, auto target locking of the camera, the ability to enlarge shots mid-flight, and point of interest flight. The drone can be 1-key return. Press the button in emergency situations and get it returned to you, so it can't be lost. Number 3. XYRC KY907 Pro 4K Camera Drone. The high-quality optimized Full HD camera that comes with a shock absorption allows you to shoot high-resolution 1080 pixel images and videos with no camera vibration. The XYRC drone equipped with two 120-degree wide-angle 1080 pixel HD camera, manually adjustable 45-degree angle which can broaden your views, more flexible, and record your exclusive memory. Moreover, the advanced Wi-Fi real-time transmission FPV system allows you to enjoy real-time beautiful scenery images through app and share to your social platform. This drone high-performance rechargeable 800 mAh battery, the maximum flight time can reach 15 minutes and charging time 60 minutes, besides 80 meters control distance, giving you a more extensive flight experience. The drone newest upgrade with more reliable stunt performance to make 360-degree 3D rolls more fluid. Surprise your boy, you can draw a path in the app interface. The drone will fly following the path accordingly, which is also one of the newest functions. A new generation of lens zoom technology, which can be carried out through the remote control 50x zoom shooting. Easy to capture details. The XYRC drone for kids, beginners, adults is built with an air pressure altitude control system, GPS positioning, and a return to home which keeps you from losing the drone. Number 2. TYR CLS11 Pro 4K Camera Drone. This drone has multiple functions: up and down, turn left and right, forward and backward, sideward flight, Wi-Fi connection, dual camera, follow mode, optical flow position. This drone camera 120-degree wide-angle 1080 pixel HD camera, which captures high-definition video and clear aerial photos. The Wi-Fi real-time transmission FPV system can connect to your phone further than 100 meters with the camera drone. You can fly the drone by moving smartphone up or down with gravity sensor, enables the drone follow your phone's direction. The LS11 Pro Drone 3.7-volt 1800 mAh high-capacity battery can support 18 minutes and charging time 90 minutes flight, which makes it easy to replace battery and safe to charge battery. This drone can perform 360-degree flips and rolls. Circle fly makes fly more attractive. You can define an exact flying route on the app map, brings you spectacular flying experiences. It also one key return system. Press the button in emergency situations and get it returned to you, so it cannot be lost. Number 1. Xinjiachonki V4 Drone with 4K camera. This drone foldable arms, compact size, light to carry, escape 4K HD wide-angle camera. It is adjustable to the angle with a 90-degree by control with 5G Wi-Fi. It can be connected to capture video or photo as well as live transmission of the camera of your phone. It also high-performance rechargeable battery. The maximum flight time can reach 20 minutes and charging time 90 minutes. The drone exceeds the distance of 100 meters. You can fly the drone by moving smartphone up or down with gravity sensor, enables the drone follow your phone's direction. Our camera drone can perform 360-degree flips and rolls. Circle fly makes fly more attractive. You can define an exact flying route on the app map, brings you spectacular flying experiences. The light system uses a number of one-click fast operation. Light with remote control pine achieves one-click takeoff, one-click landing, and one-click return function.